MSTI M8 Installation Tutorial. Accessories list: front lock, rear lock, handle, battery, rear lock guard, front lock guard, handle positioner, square pole, casing, slab screw, spring, lock cylinder, mechanical key, card, data cable, plug, lock body, hexagonal screwdriver, install lock body, screw on the screw to fix the lock body. Install the lock cylinder, align the screw with the side screw hole and screw it in. Fixed lock cylinder, use a hex screwdriver to remove the handle base from the handle. Then remove the lock cylinder cover base of the rear lock guard. Align the handle base to the screw hole. Note that the orientation of this place should be the same as the video. Secure the handle base with screws. Also fix the lock cylinder cover base with screws. Assemble the spring with the square rod. Insert square rod. Short inward facing installation. Then align the handle for installation. Then align the rear lock guard for installation. Then screw back the screws of the handle and rear lock protector respectively. The center point of the handle should be aligned. Make sure the handle is very smooth. It can be automatically reset normally. Then install the front lock guard. Align the 3 sleeves to the front lock fixing hole position. Install the front lock. Remove the rear lock screen first. Connect the rear lock wire to the front lock. Then align and install. Secure rear lock with screws. Install the battery. Installation screen. Test the lock.